Taking a look at an image. What do you see in the picture? What details would you use to describe it? What do you think was happening at this time? Britain's Salt Acts prohibited Indians from collecting or selling salt, a staple in the Indian diet. Citizens were forced to buy the vital mineral from the British, who, in addition to exercising a monopoly over the manufacture and sale of salt, also exerted a heavy salt tax. Defying the Salt Acts, Mohandas Gandhi reasoned, would be an ingeniously simple way for many Indians to break a British law nonviolently. This took place from March to April in 1930 in India. This was a protest to British rule in India. During the march, thousands of Indians followed Gandhi from his religious retreat near Ahmedabad to the Arabian Sea coast, a distance of some 240 miles. The march resulted in the arrest of nearly 60,000 people, including Gandhi himself. India was finally granted its independence in 1947. Image number 2. The caption at the bottom reads, "The destruction of tea at Boston Harbor." So what do you see in the picture? Use details to describe it. What do you think was happening at this time? The Boston Tea Party took place on December 16, 1773. It was a protest by the American colonists against the British in regards to the tea taxes that had been imposed on them. This protest involved throwing chests of tea from 3 British trade ships into the Boston harbor. The colonists had been told they could only buy tea from the British-owned East India Trading Company. The British had imposed tea taxes through the Tea Act, and the colonists protested by wearing costumes, boarding the ships, and dumping the tea cargo into the harbor. The Boston Tea Party was a key event to the beginning of the American Revolution.